Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved Mobile Edition. First, select your preferred server type, whether it's a solo experience or an unofficial server with friends. Then, customize your survivor's appearance and choose a safe spawn location. Immediately begin gathering essential resources like wood, thatch, and stone. Use these to craft your very first tools, such as a stone pick and hatchet, which are crucial for efficient resource collection and early survival. Next, focus on basic survival. Crafting a simple shelter, even a small 1x1 hut, is vital for protection against the elements and aggressive creatures. Always monitor your hunger, thirst, and stamina levels. Keeping them high is key to staying alive. Be aware of your surroundings and learn which creatures to avoid. A campfire is also essential for cooking raw meat and providing warmth after sunset. Now for one of ARK's most exciting features, taming. Start by knocking out a small, passive creature, perhaps a dodo, using your fists or a slingshot. Once unconscious, place its preferred food like mejoberries into its inventory. Guard your potential new friend from any threats while it slowly tames. After it wakes up, craft a saddle to ride your new companion, opening up new possibilities for exploration. As you progress, level up your survivor by gathering, crafting, and surviving. Each level grants engram points, allowing you to unlock blueprints for more advanced tools, weapons, and structures. Don't hesitate to explore new biomes. They offer unique resources and more powerful creatures to tame. For a richer experience, consider joining a tribe to collaborate with other players and tackle larger challenges together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.